Now that my Cobot arm is attached, connected to the internet, and initialized, I'm going to install the smart puck. First, I'm going to install the adapter that will allow us to attach the smart puck to the end of the Cobot arm. So with that, I am placing it with the light side up, and the blue cord is facing away. And once I get this attached, that's going to allow me to attach the end of the smart puck and the torch mount. So for this, I'm using a 4mm Allen key and the 4 supplied bolts. And as I said, the blue cord is facing away towards the back of the system. And there are 4 holes that I'm inserting these bolts into, and then screwing them in with my Allen key. Now I like to go around and just give all these another reassuring tighten. And there we go. Next, I'm going to take my bottom half of my smart puck, and there's a slot here, and on the end it's going to slot right into the area where the blue cord comes out. Just like so. And you'll see it lines up with all the screws that we're going to use. So using the supplied hex screws, torque screws, and the supplied Torx wrench, I'm going to install my smart puck. And then lastly, just go around, give all these another little reassuring tighten. And now my smart puck is installed. The last thing that we're going to do is connect the communications cable on the smart puck to the Cobot arm. So I'm just unscrewing this little silver cap here and bringing this around. And you can see, if you look really closely, there's a slot on the plug and a tab, and that's going to be inserted like so. And as you can see, all went well because it's flashing green now, right? You just want to make sure that this is tight. Awesome. My smart puck is installed and ready to be used. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, keep it simple, Cobot.